Welcome everyone back to the weekly weather updates. And today's video we're going to look at the live radio first, and then the UKV, the longer range weather, and the GFS on the next. So I've still got a cold, so please excuse my voice. But let's get started. As you can see here, precipitation is lingering in Ireland, and that would be well, kind of staying there really. But it would move slightly east to the UK. It will be giving us a few more wet weather to come in later in the day after 1 PM. And have a look at these temperatures. Have a look at the temperatures. We can see again another fresh day, especially with the clouds, and it might be actually a clear day, a clear morning to come. But like I said, we're still in that fresh Atlantic air, which would be lingering on, well, obviously the warmer weather in the southeast, maybe a bit cooler in Scotland and northern England. And you can see here hotter weather to the continent. If you have a look at the UKV, have a look at the longer range precipitation. Into Sunday, we can see into Sunday we have the band of rain pushing from the West Atlantic, sometimes heavy on the hills, as you can see on the barometer, but that will be pushing in from the North Sea, but some might linger in the north. Again, some on the hills coming onto Monday, and then onto Monday a few more cloudy conditions, but maybe not as much precipitation. Maybe the odd drizzle, but that might be it. And into the evening, there will be a band of rain pushing into Scotland in the Highlands, possibly heavy on the hills for the Highlands as well. Again, a little bit more unsettled. Band of rain pushing in, but won't last that long. In fact, it will already affected some areas, as you can see from the live radar. And then onto Wednesday, we can see again a few showers to come. That won't last long. It might affect a few areas such as the Midlands, but then it will dissipate out, giving us a bit more clear night in the Midlands. A few more showers to come into Edinburgh area of Scotland, with a few more sky cloud and showers. And then to Friday looks a lot better, with clear conditions are possible for Friday. Right, so have a look at the max temperatures. Like I said, like we saw yesterday, temperatures are increasing, but not yet. It will be for next week. The highest temperature today will be 21. We're not going to see a lot of 20. We're only going to mid to low teens in the north, mid to high teens in the south, with the possible 20 degrees to happen. And on to Monday. Again, similar to the picture, maybe a bit more widespread. 20s, 20, 21, 22 is possible. Maybe a 23. That's what the UKV is showing is possible for Wednesday. A little bit more widespread. So that's, what was that for Monday? I forgot if that was for Monday. Oh, it was to Tuesday. We can see here again a lot, getting a bit warmer in fact. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, even a 25 is possible. So the signs are getting a bit hotter as we go into that week. And on to Wednesday, which will be the hottest day, probably the last hottest day even. 27, 28, even a 29, and possibly a isolated 30 degrees. So this is possible. We're going to reach 30 degrees on Wednesday, mostly in the south, near London. Otherwise, low 20s in the north. Thursday, not as hot actually. 21, 22, 23, 23 in the north. Cooler weather to come, as you can see here in the north west. And here are the nighttime temperatures for Friday. There are signs it is going to get hotter. according to the GFS as well. If I have a look over here, if I have a look along the week, coming on to next week, we are in a ridge of high pressure, not warmer weather. Well, not as warm, but still quite warm, getting to 28. In fact, I don't know why I said that. And to Thursday, next Thursday, we are still in that ridge of high pressure, and we can see gradually we are getting more darker colours, showing us a sign we are going to get some more warmer, so hotter weather, which might be a bit above average for September. So we might reach the 30-degree mark to end September. That is the weather for today. I'm so sorry about my voice. I know it was a bit short today. I'm not feeling very well. I might have to take a break for a few days just to get my voice a little bit more better. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.